He's on the ground there. That, hold on. Hold on.
I think I'll put my hat down.
Sorry? No.
Hold it tight.
Yep.
Now, hold on.
Darcy, out of the way.
Now hold the trigger for 5 seconds.
And then do what?
Just hold it. Fine, hold it once. Press it for 1 second.
Now?
Yeah. Now hold it.
That's enough?
One more time. One more time.
No, I'm not doing it.